Your body is an engine. Growing up around surface coal mining and machines with engines, I learned a lot about how engines work and the basics that they need. Now today learning about nutrition I find some similarities. Stay with me here. It will make sense, I hope. The needs of your body are similar to the needs of the engine in your car. These needs are fuel, air, and spark. By the way, you must have realized by now that I am a very simple-minded person with a very simple mind. To simplify, in this article we'll address just one of these needs. Fuel. Compare this. Your car engine needs fuel. So does your body. The gasoline you put in your car has to be clean with no pollutants. If it is contaminated, you will experience symptoms. Lack of power, especially when needed, like going up a hill, spit sputter, and backfiring, your engine's way of saying, help. I am not getting the nutrients I need, and it may even stop running altogether. Bad, very bad if this is your body. To fix the symptoms, all that is needed, if you do this soon enough, is to purge the engine of the impurities and make sure that the new fuel is clean and proper. Your body is no different. If what you eat is contaminated, you will experience the symptoms of being tired, no power. You can also spit, sputter, vomit, and backfire, diarrhea. Again, the cure is as easy as giving the body the clean and proper foods it needs. But now you may ask, what are the proper foods? Remember when you were taught that there were 4 basic food groups? We were instructed to eat from all 4 food groups to get a balanced meal. 1. Dairy. 2. Meat. 3. Grain. 4. Fruits and vegetables. Sounds easy, except your diet can and does cause illness. Say what? Ted. Have you ever suffered from one of the following? Indigestion, heartburn, tiredness, headaches, mood swings, aching joints, constipation, allergies, hypoglycemia, diabetes, high blood pressure, yeast overgrowth, just to name a few. The problem may not be just the foods you are eating, but what foods you are mixing together that are causing a toxic condition in the body, especially in the digestive tract. Oh, now you have really done it. This is sounding too confusing. Learning about nutrition is an in-depth study, but you can learn the basic do's and don'ts. Here is one easy example: fruits. The rule for fruit is to eat it alone or leave it alone. Don't mix with other food groups. I was taught very young that if you aren't learning, you are dying. Is it worth the effort? When you first get up in the morning, are you still tired? Look in a full body mirror, look close. Do you like what you see? Is your life abundant and healthy?